Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are working on a 2004 Cadillac WRX. Super WRX. Cadillac SRX. 3 point. What's this shit say? Right here. 3.6 liter V6 VVT engine. We put this a little bit to the side so we could get to all the plastics right here. Here is the brand new alternator, which we got from SD Electric, and I don't know, we're still getting the same thing. The main computer on board says that it was the it's the service charging system, and also goes into battery saving mode. And anyhow, so then we also went online. We got to the fuse. The 200 amp fuse, which is good. I opened it up. I don't know, I don't feel like opening it out totally, but I looked in there, and it's not broken. It's not broken in there. So everything is good, and the fuse works. As you can see, it holds together. This is just a flimsy little cover. Well, it is. It has like these not threads, but I mean these rivets that hold it together. What I did was I used, what the hell did I use? Oh yeah, I used one of these handed devices with a so it looks like this, a little cutter. It says wood with nails, but it did the job. It cut it. So it's this Porter cable, lithium-ion battery, 20 volt. So I cut through that fuse nicely. The tools for the alternator, and it's just not much. It's just a matter of taking the belt off, meaning taking off the tension, putting a 3/4 in here, taking off the tension off the belt, taking the belt off, and then a matter of just doing the top bolt that you see there, and there's 2 bottom bolts, and it comes right out. Pull it out through here, loosening up this top plastic and moving it to the side. Well, I had to do all this work to find out that the fuse is okay. It still shows up the same problem after the alternator has been put in. So we're going to, I called up O'Reilly, Advanced, AutoZone. They all have the same prices, more or less. We're going to try one more alternator. And if not, I don't know. I hope it's not the onboard computer, because if it is, I'll just put this shit to the street like a lawnmower. I don't know if anyone's gonna pay $1,000 for it. Anyway, it has about 117,000 miles. 2004 Cadillac SRX 3.6 liter V6 VVT engine, 4-wheel drive. So that's about it. It's been running good. I got it not long ago. Changed the oil at 80K. It had 80,000 miles on it or so. Takes about 6 quarts of oil. It does use some oil. Alright, we're running long already. So anyhow, we'll see. I don't know if we're gonna do a part 2. If it's solved, or if it gets more intense, we'll do a part 2. But if it's just another alternator, hopefully, I don't know. Why would you do another alternator when you got a new alternator? I have no idea. Alright, that's about it. So still after that, we charged the battery, which sits right there. That's where the air cabin filter sits for the in-cab filter. Sits right here. I got it over there on the trash cans. Had to break some plastics over here. I don't know. I guess that's how they do that at the dealer. Otherwise, I would have to take out this whole shroud and my wiper blades and all of that. So, but I took this out. I'm good at breaking stuff. It's all right. In order to make some applesauce, you got to break some apples. So yeah, the fuse is good. I don't know. Going to get the alternator again. Another alternator. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Please like, share, subscribe.